Hello to you wonderful people of YouTube. It's Vincent from Wonders of London, and I'm just here in St Stephen's Row in the city of London, and it is quite a brilliant place. One thing I always like to tell people, whenever you're in London and in England and Britain in general, always look out for these plaques. Most of them are blue, but you do have different color plaques in different locations within Britain, and it is quite fantastic because they give you a little bit of the history and information about what building you're looking at. And as we can see here in St Stephen Walbrook, on the 2nd of November 1953, the Samaritans were founded by Dr. Chad Vara, the rector, who was alive from 1953 to 2003. But if we continue this way, there's so many brilliant things, much like this church, which has a very, very beautiful door. And this is the parish church of St Stephen Walbrook, which is part of the Church of England and the Diocese of London, as we can see with this sign. And the church was founded on the bank of the Walbrook stream over 1,000 years ago, and it has occupied its present site since 1428. The current building was designed by Sir Christopher Wren, who of course designed the great St Paul's Cathedral. And of course most people will know St Paul's Cathedral, but you won't realise that Sir Christopher Wren actually designed so many other magnificent churches. And what actually happened was the Great Fire of London 1666 unfortunately burned down many of the churches of the city of London, and in fact it destroyed about 2/3 of the city of London, including the church that used to be here. And as such, after the Great Fire of 1666, Sir Christopher Wren was given the task of redesigning London, and he had to rebuild many of the churches that we have in this fantastic city. And we can see one of these beautiful, amazing Sir Christopher Wren churches just here in Walbrook, the Diocese of London, and it is the parish church of St Stephen Walbrook. It now also contains a central altar by Henry Moore, which was installed in 1987. And if we look over there, if you ever do visit, you've got a lovely mosaic. Unfortunately there are no lights on, so we can't see it quite clearly, but if you look through this little archway by the door, you can just about make it out. I do hope you enjoyed this little video, and do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. And remember, if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing videos of this fantastic city that we all love and call London. Thanks so much. Bye.